Happy Tuesday, everybody. Just want to come on here, give you all an update. It's been a great day so far. Neurologically, not shaking too bad, so that's pretty good. Had a good day so far. Went and got my fro trimmed from the lovely Miss Elizabeth. She's been cutting my hair for years now, and she's the only one that's allowed to maintain the mane. So picked this lovely gem up. Yep. It's a 1902 Underwood number 5 typewriter. It does the dance. It sings the songs. If you heard that, that's what it is. But I delivered a POS point of sale system that I developed from the ground up for some friends of ours with their shop to help them organize all their cash payments and give them a little bit more userability for the convention that's going on this weekend. I'll be up there on Friday to help stress test it in the real world. So if y'all get a chance, Knoxville Tattoo Convention is this weekend starting Friday at 2 o'clock. But the best part is here in Maryville, there's a place outside of the Food City gas pumps called Bonner and Burger. They make the most bomb-ass chili dogs you'll ever have. And I didn't get french fries. Why? Who needs french fries when you have fresh fried okra? It's the best. Glass of sweet tea. And now I'm just going to sit on my butt for a while and maybe watch some videos on YouTube. But yeah, so good day so far. And now I'll hit you on the flip side. Later.